Hello, what's up guys? It's great to see you back from another video today. So let's get started. You have to talk about the categories of hurricanes, typhoons, and tropical cyclones. So we're going to start talking about categories of tropical storms. Depend on how the risk level, how much the damage rate is, and how much the wind speeds are. So you guys can also stay weather aware because June 1st is the official hurricane season, and on June 3rd there could be a hurricane which is probably occurring near Mexico at the Pacific Ocean. So before I explain those things, I'll explain those probably in the next video. So in this video, we're going to talk about the risk levels and the categories of tropical storms, which are hurricanes, typhoons, and cyclones, which are the same phenomenon. So let's take a look at a Category 1 tropical storm. Category 1 tropical storm is the weakest tropical storm, one of the weakest tropical storms to happen, and the winds are 74 to 95 miles per hour, and the damage is minimal. Storm surge is 4 to 5 feet. It's just a weak damage. It's just minimal, very small damage. Category 2 hurricane. Wind speeds are up to 96 and 110 miles per hour. And the damage gets a little intense where it's going to cause moderate damage with some parts, which can lead to some major devastation. Are the chances for a Category 2 hurricane. The storm surge is 6 to 8 feet. And Category 3 hurricane, things get really intense in a Category 3 tropical storm. But Category 2, it's just a light, very light, some major devastation. But in the Category 3 tropical storm, wind speeds are 111 to 130 miles per hour. And they're extensive as the damage at landfall, and which things get really intense. It can cause some major devastation for a few houses, and destructions are possible sometimes, but not extremely catastrophic. But the storm surge is 9 to 12 feet. And a Category 4, here's what things get even more intense. Category 4, 131 to 105 miles per hour. The damage at landfall is extreme, causing a lot of major devastation with complete destruction. Of a devastating hurricane is possible and very likely. And the storm surge is 13 to 18 feet. These tropical storm guys can produce hurricanes and typhoons and cyclones can cause flooding due to the heavy amount of rain. Tropical storms are the swirling winds, which are much worse than tornadoes because they can lead to major devastation due to the flying debris, which are the most damage in any kind of storm, even when tornadoes occur when there's high amounts of wind. And last thing, a Category 5 hurricane. Wind speeds are up to 156 miles per hour. Damage is at landfall is extremely catastrophic. Major devastation is expected. Storm surge is 90 feet. So hurricane season's really coming up, guys. So that's all I need to say. Bye. These are all the categories you just need to stay weather aware of, because these are major storms where things can get active. Bye.